Kurt. So we're back. So I just wet my face. I came out of the shower. So let's load up the soap. I'm gonna go with the Pro Raso today. I choose the soap which is easy to use on some other day. I could use more, but I'm gonna use this Whipped Dog. Whipped Dog brush. So we're gonna do a comparison today. So maybe that's good enough. So we got the brush loaded. Gonna wet my face. And then we need to shake up this stuff. And take out some of the canned goop. So I'm going to put the goop on this side. There. Then the brush on this side. So approximately what takes a longer time to get out from the cabinet here? Well, when you're using a modern so-called multi-blade razor, or you have just two things you need to take out from the cabinet. The razor, which I'm using today, is a Gillette Sensor, but with the XL blades, and I have the plastic thing here. Then if you are going to use a double-edged razor, you need your razor, you need your blade, you need soap, and you need balm. And in the case, you need this. So maybe my shaving cream down a little bit. There, I didn't use a long time on it today. That might be the reason. So, and then you need to load your razor, and you need to package out the blade, do the blade handling, like so. And you need to place the blade carefully on top there, and snap it on. With this one, you just take it out, press it in, take there, or push it in, take it out. So that's that, and this moves like this. So we wet our razor and we start. And I'm using a Gillette Super Silver blade today. Okay, that was 2 strokes. Then we go with the Gillette Sensor. And there you need to rinse off right away. You can't turn it around. And there, you can still use one side there. And there we go. So that was the first pass. And now take some more of this canned goop. I put the leftovers in the sink there, so it's a little bit better now. And now I realize I will cut myself and get it deeper there. So I have used the Gillette Click before, but as far as I remember, I don't think I've ever used the Gillette Sensor. I only used the Gillette Atra, Rector, and Mach 3. And maybe I need to use a little bit more time on the shaving cream. Or soap, I mean. There. Okay, this is rinse off. Okay, this I will switch it around to let's see. I went the wrong way there. I'm just gonna make it a short shave today. Then I used one side, but this one I need to rinse off. Most you don't have to, of course. There, rinsed off. So, in any case, just make sure there. So there. Let me rinse off and then be right back. So there. So, when you shave with a cartridge razor, you just have to rinse it off, and then you just put it back, let it dry off a little bit with the handle. Oh, you don't need to, and put it back. This one, rinse it off, shake it off, put the cap on, and you're finished. But with the double-edged safety razor, you have to clean the brush, you have to get the clean off the soap, or not all do that, but some I do that. So I rather have it clean, not having any residue. But you don't have to do that, but you have to clean your brush anyway, unless you're using a synthetic, and you can just rinse it off. And then what I do is I take out the blade, and then I rinse off, let it dry. So yeah, both razors, the Gillette Click and the Gillette Sensor, gave me excellent shaves, smooth and smooth. Maybe I got a little bit nicked there now. A little bit hairs are left here, but that's always. So yeah, the minus, the plus side with this, takes less time to take out, just easy to put back, gives you a good, close, comfortable shave, but it's not as good as it can be. You have a few options with the goop foams. You can have a little bit different, but not that many. But with shaving soaps, you have a ton or much more variety to choose from. And it's better for your skin too. So, and these blades are than these blades. But these aren't so expensive either now, and what I heard is Gillette put down a lot of prices on their blades now because they're losing so much market. But yeah. So we're gonna go with some Williams aftershave, ice blue or aqua velvet if you like. This has the menthol as far as I know. So we have some there. And both sides doesn't sting very much. Nothing different. Smell that. Now they sell this in Norway too. And since it was a Gillette shave, we're gonna go with the Gillette balm. Shake it up. And smell that. Maybe I should have used my Gillette aftershave too. There you go. The shaves are equally as good, but I think you get a little bit more, I don't know, it's hard to explain, salmon feeding or better shave. In my opinion, you get a better shave with the double-edged shave razor. You don't need to use pressure, not that I used much pressure with the Sensor XL. But yeah, I have to clean away 1, 2, and 3, and that's what I have to do anyway. And there, blade, instead of this, just 2 items. So yeah, it's both of them got good things about them, but in my opinion, I never got a really good shave with the Mach, not the Mach, but with the Fusion Pro line, because it has like 5 blades. It's insane, and go 5 down, and then side and up. I'm not gonna do that. I can go against the grain with this because it's only 2 blades. So the Gillette Sensor, the Gillette Atra, Contour, and Track 2. Those are really good razors if you're going to choose a multi-blade cartridge razor, in my opinion. Of course, in my opinion, this gives you a more comfortable or a better shave. And leave it, if you like history and old school, then it also has the important. Okay, that was it for today. Take care. May all have solid shaves. Bye now.